welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the long-awaited apartment tour. I have officially been in here for 6 weeks. I moved in January 9th. It feels like home. Like, this truly feels like my place, and I'm so comfortable here. I'm so happy going to bed every night. I'm so happy waking up every single morning. There's so much peace that goes around my new apartment, and I really love it. And all the home decor that you've seen is stuff that I bought back when I lived at the house, and I took with me because I paid for it. It's my money, so of course I'm gonna take it with me. And the way that it all comes together in a 1-bedroom apartment is beautiful to me. There's a lot of white going on, and that was not intentional because this room was in its own separate room at the house. My living room was obviously in its own separate room of the house. Now they're side by side, and it seems like a lot of white, but I still love it. I still love the vibe here. The only thing I really need to work on is the patio, and that's something I didn't show because there's literally nothing there. But of course, I do plan on getting patio furniture and keeping it within budget, so that's gonna be a whole nother YouTube video, and then I can share my patio during the springtime when it's warm enough to actually sit on it. So I will also link all the home decor, even like these shelves, this desk, anything that I can for you in the description box. And then of course, if there's anything that I missed, just let me know what it is in the comments and I will get back to you. I really hope that you guys can see why I love this apartment in this video. I hope I do it justice. So let me stop rambling and let's get started on this apartment tour. Starting off with my entryway, this is what it looks like when you walk into my apartment. I will link my home decor, my living room, my kitchen, my bedroom in the description box below. So you guys, if you see anything that you like, just take a look down there. So this is technically my little entryway. I thought about putting a mirror here, but I already have the mirror over there and I felt like it might be too much. I got these gold hooks from Amazon. This is where I keep my mask, my keys, this pampas grass. If you follow me on Instagram, you know where it came from. I'm wanting to add one more, but right now it's completely frozen solid outside, so I can't do that. This is where I put my purse, my sunglasses, and I normally keep some gum right here because your girl is weird about her fresh breath. And then here underneath the table, these are the Ugg boots I've been throwing on whenever I take Finn outside. And I got this basket from Home Goods. This is where I keep his collar. Look at him, he's ready. He's like, let's go. His collar, his leash, I've got his hoodie, some extra potty bags down there, and then a towel that I use to wipe his feet when we come back in. Here is the hallway closet. It's kind of just whatever right now. I didn't want to put every single coat that I have in here because I've got so many. So I put the ones that I normally grab before I head out. So this one to keep me warm, and then a couple raincoats. I've got some scarves and hats up here. And then down below is where I keep all of my camera equipment, my lights, my ring lights, my backdrop. I've got random things in here, some travel stuff. This is where I keep all the stuff where I do my own mani at home. This one right here. This is all polygel. And then some random games and stuff. So it's just a random little storage closet that I've got. So here's my living room. I absolutely love this big open window. It's the best. There's so much light that comes in, and as you can see, there's snow outside. It is so cold. I've been iced in. This is Finn's little corner. So I've got his toys here, his bed here. This is my little TV setup. Hi. So I've got the TV on this mount, and it pulls out and angles towards the kitchen so I can watch TV while I'm cooking. This little stand is from IKEA. It's very old, but they do have some similar ones on the website, so I'll link that below. I will link everything that I can for you guys, but here's what the view looks like when I'm sitting on my couch. And then let's turn around. Got a little basket of extra blankets here. Look at all the snow, you guys. It is absolutely crazy. Here's my couch. This is gonna bother me. You guys get together, okay? I got these 2 pillows from World Market last week. I wanted to replace the 2 white pillows that are from this set, which I will link on Amazon. The whole set is okay, but the white pillows were really showing off this one's drool, and it was driving me nuts. So I replaced them with these 2 from World Market. I love the fringe. I thought it was really cute, and it does kind of go with this boho weird vibe that I have. I don't know what I would call this apartment. Here is what should be the dining room, but I have turned into my office. So let me walk you here to the coffee cart. I've got the coffee cart here because there's outlets. Otherwise it would be right here where Finn's corner is, but there's no outlets over there. So I've got it here. Hi. This is where I go in the morning, make my Nespresso. This is one of the best birthday presents I've ever received. My best friends are incredible. I love you guys for this so much. I love this Nespresso. I will definitely link it. So this is my little coffee cart. I will also link this if I can. And then this is where the magic is made, baby. I usually have clothes hanging here, like things that I need to do a style video for, but since deliveries have been postponed due to this weather, I don't really have anything right now. But yeah, these shelves are from IKEA. The wardrobe rack is from Amazon. I haven't decided where I want to put these picture frames yet, so I've just left them on the floor, and I kind of like it like that. I know it's weird, but anyways, this shelf right here are actually two separate pieces that I got from Amazon. Okay, first of all, let me brag about these bar stools. I got these from Amazon. They're 2 for $60, I think, or 2 for $70. It might have been 2 for $69, and I freaking love them. They're so discreet. They just tuck right here underneath the counter. They don't block anything. That's what I didn't want to do. I didn't want to block this walkway. So these are perfect. They were pretty easy to assemble. I did them, of course, all by myself, and I like them. I like them a lot. Anyway, so here is the beautiful kitchen. I love the light fixtures. I absolutely love the sink. The sink is huge, you guys. Another picture frame that I haven't decided if I want to hang, so it's just chilling. The backsplash is so pretty. I love the stainless steel appliances. Let's do a little pan. These lights are pretty at night. You see how they've got a really light orange hue? It's just perfect. I love that the kitchen lights are really bright and then these are very soft. Okay, so this is the laundry room slash pantry. Turn on the light. So here's my pantry. It's got a lot of spices and stuff for cooking because that's what I do. Plenty of room. The apartment came with this washer and dryer. Very thankful for it. And of course, more storage. And then this is from Amazon. It's something that I got to hold my room and my Swiffer. It's pretty great, you guys. It's also linked on my Amazon shop. Do not be sleeping on my Amazon shop. There's a lot of stuff there. Hi, you're so cute. Okay, moving on. Actually, let me show you some pride and joy things. This silverware and this mesh utensil organizer I also got from Amazon. And look how cute these are. I love the aesthetic of them. Some of them are dirty and in the dishwasher, but I got the set of 4. I know some of you guys are gonna ask about this KitchenAid. This was a white KitchenAid that I got 9 years ago, and I've used it ever since, and it has never let me down. It's one of the best things that I own in my kitchen. And then this leopard detail are stickers. It was kind of like a tattoo where there was just a piece of paper, I put it over and then peeled it off and the stickers stayed in place. They have not budged for the decade that I've had this thing too. I found them on Etsy and I will see if I can find some more, but it's kind of difficult to find leopard print KitchenAid stuff, so I will do my best. Here's Finn's little corner, and then that is the door to the garage. Then we move on to the bathroom. All right, so this is my bathroom. Let me do a little pan. Ta-da! It is the perfect size for me. Check out how silent the drawers are. Love it. Anyway, this is the shower and bath. Nothing exciting, but I love the size of the tub. You guys know I am big on baths, big on it. Okay, let's go on to the bedroom. This canopy bed I got from Amazon. It was $200 and it's pretty sturdy. I love it. I normally don't have this extra blanket on the bed. It's just the white comforter, but with this weather, I've been bundling up whenever I go to sleep. So I will link again everything that I can, home decor wise. Anything that you see that you like, check the description box. And if you don't see something, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you. But yeah, this is my room. So let's turn this way. This is the best dresser because it's beautiful, but it's also the worst because it was such a pain to put together. I wanted to keep the aesthetic that I have in my office, and so I didn't put these filing cabinets and these extra drawers in the office, even though they do belong there. I don't care if they're tucked away in my bedroom. It doesn't bother me. Until I find a new space for them, they're just gonna stay there. So let's talk about the closet. Ta-da! It is so big. I mean, there's shoe boxes that are falling from the top of the shelf, but it's crazy how big this is, and I have already filled it up. I mean, I guess not since there's extra space right here, but this closet is just so big and beautiful and I love it. I also have everything color-coded and organized by sleeve length, so that's how I am. Shorts too, the denim goes darker, and then it kind of gets crazy as I go from my cardigan to my sweaters because I did not even care. Cannot wait for spring. I feel like my summer and spring closet has so much more color and it's just so much prettier to look at, but girl, it's a closet. What am I talking about? So anyways, plenty of room in here. And then, yeah, this is the bedroom. And it's just perfect. This apartment is literally the perfect size. Okay, now I've got the garage, so here is what it looks like when you open my garage door. This is just like old stuff that really I could organize a lot better, but I'm just not in that place yet to do that. So, and then I've got my steamer here. It's the perfect place for it. It's out of the way. And then here's my stairs. Choo, choo, choo. These are all mine. No one else has access to them but moi. Steam cleaner for Finn. And then this is my little one-car garage. Still got some boxes and stuff. Most of this is just decor though. You know, coming from a house to a one-bedroom apartment, of course I'm gonna have some extra stuff. So those are some shelves that I need to put together, but I think I'm just gonna invite a friend over to help me do it because the thought of doing this alone is really daunting. These things are very heavy. Oh, and this is just an extra little nook, so even more storage underneath the stairs. So yeah. Okay, that is my humble abode. So that's my apartment. Please do not sleep on my Amazon shop. All of the things that are from Amazon that's in my apartment is linked on my Amazon shop. I will leave the link down in the description box. And then again, if there's anything else that you want to know, any link that you need, let me know what it is in the comments and I will get back to you. Thank you guys for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.